Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 5, squares and square roots, example 10. The question is, find the least number that must be subtracted from 5607 so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square.
So they are saying that 5607 is not a perfect square. Okay, it is not a perfect square. So we have to find out the nearby number which is a perfect square by subtracting some value from this number. Okay, so we have to subtract some value and we have to determine another number which is going to be a perfect square. Okay, so that is the.
So again, as usual, just apply
The long division method in order to find out the square root of this number. Okay, so anyway, it is not a
going to get a perfect square root of this number, which is going to be integer. We are not going to get a proper integer, but anyway, number so that we can find out which is the smallest number that has to be subtracted from this number, and we can determine the perfect square. Okay, so as usual, combine two digits, okay, with the bar like this from the unit digit. Okay, so 07 is combined and 56 is combined, and again first I have to start finding out the number which is going to be a nearby square number, right, for 56. Okay,
so that is when we apply 6 6 are 36, 7 sevens are 49, 8 8s are 64. Okay, so 8 8s are 64, which is greater than 56. So I have to proceed with the number 7 into 7. So 7 sevens are 49. Just subtract this. Okay, so 16 minus 9 is nothing but 7. Okay, so 4 get cancelled. And here these two numbers are combined numbers, so we have to write as it is. Okay, for that only we are combining. Okay, so these two numbers we have to write as it is. So now I have to find out the multiplication of this number by 2, or just add these two numbers. 7 plus 7 is 14, or 7 into 2 is nothing but 14. Okay, so once you have done that, the number 14, okay, with the number 14 I have to write one more value as x. Okay, so this x into x, okay, that is I have to find out another number such that it is going to give the value 707. Anyway, it is not a perfect square, so I will not get a proper equivalent value for this. Okay, so I have to find out the nearby value. Okay, so anyway, so 1 4 x into x, this x I have to determine. Okay, so since it is 700, okay, so again 7 into 7 I cannot use because I'll get a bigger number than 707. So I can go for 146 into 6. Okay, so let me find out what it is. 6 6 are 36, 6 4s are 24, plus 3 is 27, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 2 is nothing but 8. Okay, so 876. So again 876 is bigger number when compared to 7 or 7. So I cannot use 6 and 6. So I have to proceed with 145 into 145. 145 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 is nothing but 7.
so again 725 is greater than 707, so I cannot proceed with this also. So let me check with 144 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 4 4s are 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so 576, which is lesser than 707. So I can use 144 into 4. So 4 4s are 16. 1 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 7. And you have a carry 1. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so just subtract this number. 7 minus 6 is 1. So 10 minus 7 is nothing but a 3. Here I have 6. 6 minus 5 is nothing but 1. Okay. So again, when you see the problem, generally I will get the remainder as 0 here, but I am getting 131. Okay, which is a additional number. That is, I can say that it is a extra number. Okay, so I should not get this number. Okay, I should get it as what? 0 actually. Okay, so what I have to do means I have to subtract 131 from the given number, from the number 5607 to get perfect square. Why? Because if I subtract 131 from the given number, I will get a perfect square number. Okay, so 5607 minus 131. 7 minus 1 is 6, 10 minus 3 is a 7, you have 5, 5 minus 1 is a 4. Okay, and then here 5. Okay, so 5476 is the nearest perfect square number. Is the nearest perfect square number after subtracting the number 131 from the given number. And also they are asking to find the square root of the perfect square. Okay, so square root of the perfect square 5467. So just combine these two number. So as we have proceeded, 7 sevens are 49. So balance is 5, 576. Now only we have determined that 7 into 2 is nothing but 14. So 144 into 4 is nothing but 476. Okay, so sorry, 576. So 576 minus 576 is nothing but 0. Okay, we are getting the remainder as 0. So 5476 is a perfect square. So square root of 5476 is nothing but 74. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.